everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to paint on your little cat ear impressions on your cat ear hat to make it look more like a cat ear hat. So I used this cheap foam board, and first what I did was I drew an imperfect triangle. That way it'll go right here on the inside, and I made this to go with this. That way I can slide it right inside the cat ear hat, and it has the indentation on it, but it makes sure that it doesn't bleed through on the other side. So I made both of those. I'm just going to place the other one inside the ear. Let's see here. Place that right there. Push those snug. There we go. That's nice. Okay. Now I'm using just Craft Smart pens. You can use them on anything. They're paint pens. And I am choosing the color purple. I think a dark purple on this would look really, really nice. So let's see how this will work. Hopefully it works well. Let's see here. Here it goes. Okay. Sure those are nice and snug. Okay. Here it goes. Actually, maybe I might use this as an outline. Huh. I guess, well, this is my first time ever doing this. First time. More paint will drain down. There we go. And that'll look nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Just go around the stitches. I thought dark purple would look good on it. All right. Now we just need to do the other side. I hope this video helps you all. Thank you. Good night.